Sustainability is the most critical issue in front of the entire world today. Everything that we do has to be sustainable so that we make the world a better place for our future generation to come. At Sentient Labs, we are deeply committed, almost passionate about sustainability. Our field of work is mobility industry.
मैं आज नेशनल हाइड्रोजन मिशन की घोषणा कर रहा हूं।
Prime Minister has already announced the Green Energy National Mission, as we all know. So here, our own contribution is going to come through a unique technology of ours.
I'm convinced that potentially this technology can save literally billions of dollars of imports of oil, makes us self-reliant, make us Atmanirbhar, and our rough calculations suggest that it can increase the annual growth of national economy by at least 50 to 60 basis points.
To make anything sustainable in India, we have to make it affordable to the Indian consumer. And therefore, it has to be a developed in India technology, it has to be a manufactured in India technology. Now mind you, we are essentially a technology company. So we are not going to get into manufacturing of buses or cars, or even for that matter, the components that make for this sustainable technology. But we are the guys who will develop technologies so that we hand it over to the ecosystem of the Indian automotive industry. What we are showing today is a fuel cell. It's a fuel cell which has been developed in India in collaboration with Indian institutions. It is being manufactured in India. The entire manufacturing ecosystem has been created here, and it has been fitted on a bus which has been made in India.
The world is recognizing hydrogen as the fuel of the future, right? And the future is here. Countries are investing in generation of hydrogen and consumption of green hydrogen to replace the conventional fossil fuel. It is a complex technology. It involves use of chemistry, electrochemistry, electronics, material science, and other engineering disciplines. We are very fortunate to have great partners like CSIR Labs with us in this journey of development of a fuel cell. What you are going to see here today is a bus that runs on fuel cell and alternate powertrain, which is powered by the energy from fuel cell. The entire solution has been conceptualized and developed by the team here.
So, hydrogen fuel cell, as the name suggests, uses hydrogen as a fuel to propel a vehicle. A hydrogen fuel cell converts the chemical energy available in hydrogen into electricity, which is used to propel the vehicle for transportation. The efficiency of a hydrogen fuel cell is upwards of 50% as compared to only 25% in case of an internal combustion engine. Most importantly, post energy conversion, the only residue that remains is clean water. The fuel cell system sits quietly on the top of the bus. This includes the hydrogen cylinders, battery, and the rest of the fuel cell system. This gives ample space inside the vehicle. We have 10 plus years of experience in bus engineering, where we have invested more than 1 million plus hours in R&D and various bus engineering activities.
We have also developed state-of-the-art electric powertrain. When this powertrain gets integrated with our hydrogen fuel cell, it can deliver world-class solution to develop fuel cell electric buses and trucks. All the components of this patented electric powertrain, that is motor controller and vehicle control unit, are completely designed and developed in-house. This solution is versatile. It can be adopted on various bus and truck platforms of 9 meter, 12 meter and others. It is a robust solution and it has been tested for more than 5 lakhs kilometers.
I feel very excited about this new launch because it's a paradigm shift in the way that we are going to move. We have our own fuel cell technology. We are not importing it. Not just make in India, but invent in India. We believe in that.
It's a win-win for country, win-win for climate change, win-win for growth, win-win for employment, win-win for science. I'm delighted that I'm associated with this great launch of fuel cell-based mass transportation system.
We are keen that we make our cities clean, that we make our imports less, and we build industry within the country. If we look at the way in which we are progressing, we believe we can contribute to our nation's GDP, to our farmers' income, and to the city's air that we currently see.